Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Lake Living in Alabama. I'm your host, Jason Will, real estate broker of Blueprint Realty Company. Today we're doing another vacation rental episode, and we are here at Deerpoint on Lake Martin. This is one of the most sought after and one of the most unique vacation rental properties in the portfolio with our friends over at Lake Life Living and Rentals. And if you're looking for like a just incredibly epic vacation, you want something that's just loaded with amenities, that's built for families that have kids of all ages, and you want a property that's going to keep them busy, keep them active, but so much for everybody to do no matter what age. I mean, just look behind me. You've got a private dock there with a water slide. I mean, there's over 500 feet of shoreline. There is a beach access, so if you got like little toddlers, they can just wade their little toes in the water. And then you've got this incredibly unique point with this little gazebo out there with, epically panoramic views. So stay tuned. This is going to be a good one. As we make our way inside, just a couple notes. It sleeps 17 in there. You've got 5 standard bedrooms and a big old bunk room, so it's ideal for families. And you've got kind of half the guest quarters on one side, half on the other. It's separated by a big great room space. You've got a living, dining, kitchen combo in there in the middle, high ceilings, lots of wood. It's got like this rustic cabin vibe in there, so it's super, super cool. Something that's really important to me and my family when we're selecting a vacation rental is outdoor living space. And check out this abundance. Can you just picture everybody congregating on this porch after a long lake day in the sun, just sharing memories from the day. But it wraps around here and you've got a hammock. What an ideal place to catch a nap after you've been drained by the sun all day. And then you've got a nice dining area over here. So great outdoor living spaces, so much space for activities. You want to set up some cornhole boards out here. You want to get some competitive games going. Whatever you guys do, whatever your traditions are on vacation, this has the space to accommodate it, which is pretty special. This is such a cool spot down here. As you can see, they got the kayaks stacked, ready to launch here. An easy launch spot right here at the beach. Got the paddles right there, but you've got this massive, massive fire pit area, and you're going to enjoy that no matter what time of year you rent this place. If you want to rent it during football season, of course, that's going to be ideal for fires, but man, there's this beautiful breeze just blowing off the lake, and it gets, it's going to get a little cool at night, so you're going to be able to enjoy this fire pit in the warm seasonal months as well. We're going to take a little walk out here and show you this little peninsula out here, which is so unique. I can just picture like kids setting up. Maybe they want to camp on the vacation. They want to set up their hammocks out there. Man, this is just such a unique property. Let's go out there and take a closer look. This is such a unique structure. It's got all these like hand carvings in it, which are really, really cool. But that breeze, y'all, is just whipping through here. So what a cool spot in the shade just to come and relax. Like I said, maybe set up those Eno hammocks and just like fall into a deep slumber after a long day on the lake. But man, this is such a cool spot. I could see somebody renting this house and using this part of the property for a ceremonial venue. Maybe we're doing a vow renewal. Man, the possibilities are endless, but this is a great backdrop to celebrate something special right here. All right, y'all, this is pretty cool. I love this pier. This is a great place to anchor your boat if you're gonna rent one while you're on vacation. Pro tip, Lake Life Living and Rentals will handle the boat rental for you and deliver it to you on site right here at Deerpoint. But man, I'm gonna pan around and show you this little spot right here. You got like this own little private little bay right here where the kids can swim and just, you know, enjoy the lake without having to worry about all the like main channel hustle and bustle traffic. So that is a really special aspect of this property. You got the swim platform out there with the slide. I mean, that's just gonna be hours and hours of, you know, free entertainment for the kids. And there's just so much to do here, which I think makes this property, gives it that reputation as a sought after rental and just keeps those bookings coming on an annual basis. So this house, it's not gonna disappoint, I promise you. A couple other things just to mention. Location, we're here in Alexander City. Alex City, as it's often referred to, is just a cute, quaint, small southern town. Got all the, you know, really neat architecture and shops and dining opportunities there. And then you've got, you know, bigger cities like Auburn, Opelika that have got some great fine dining options. Of course, the big draw for Auburn is a university. A lot of folks, as I mentioned, are going to be renting this spot during football season, so it has that big year-round appeal. But man, you're close to the Atlanta airport if you're flying in. You know, if you're driving from anywhere in Alabama, you know, you're just a few hours to get here. So it's easy to get to by car, easy to get to by plane. So listen, here's what I want you to know and really think about as you are hopefully getting hooked on lake life when you stay here. What I want you to do is, if you're thinking about putting down some roots, maybe making an investment here on Lake Martin, I want you to go to lakemartinlistings.com. That's my website where you can see all the active listings here on Lake Martin. Again, that's lakemartinlistings.com. If you've got a question for me, just feel free to call or text me anytime. It's 251-583-9728. Again, that's 251-583-9728, and we will see you real soon on another episode of Lake Living in Alabama.